Hey everyone, want to save your images as PNG in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to export an image as a PNG file step by step. Yeah, PNG is a great format for high-quality images, graphics, and transparent backgrounds, making it perfect for many creative projects. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to save. Click File, then Open, and choose your image. If you've already finished editing, you're ready to export it. Next, click the File menu at the top of the screen and select Export As. This option lets you save your project in different image formats instead of the editable GIMP project format. In the Export Image window, choose the folder where you want to save your file. Then enter a name for your image and make sure the file extension is set to PNG. If the extension isn't already there, you can type it manually at the end of the file name. After choosing the location and file name, click the Export button. GIMP may display additional PNG export options before saving the file. Review the available PNG settings and keep the default options if you're unsure which ones to change. The default settings work well for most images and preserve good quality. Click Export again to complete the process. GIMP will save your image as a PNG file in the folder you selected. Once the export is finished, open the saved file to confirm everything looks correct. So you now have a high-quality PNG image that's ready to use, upload, or share. And that's how you save images as PNG in GIMP. It's a quick and simple way to preserve image quality and support transparent backgrounds when needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.